going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video I have another unboxing, but we're going to be doing some more polishing stuff from another company called Renegade Products. It's another company that I use. Their products for polishing, doing stuff for wheels, so you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So I know on my channel I have another unboxing for Zephyrs, which is a competitor with Renegade, but I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys some other products for if you wanted to try other products out other than Zephyrs. I use Zephyrs, Renegades. There's a dude named Metal Polisher Evan on Instagram. Evan's Detailing and Polishing. I use some of his stuff, so I use a variety of different products, but I'm wanting you guys to see what all I use, what you guys think is the best bang for your buck. I'm not sponsored by any of these people, so this is my honest, non-biased opinion. So I got one of their kits, and right now we're going to go ahead and open this box up and see what you can expect to get inside. Alright, so first glance right here, we have the Renegade Products aluminum mini kit. It's got heavy cut hand polish, cut and color combo, long lasting finish. So basically what this box is for is it's for your average Joe weekend warrior. If you want to be able to clean road grime, make your wheels shine, clean them up. I wouldn't want to say to a perfect show shine, but this is enough to get the shine back. There is a couple more products that you can get other than buying this kit that will make your truck shine perfect, like your wheels shine perfect for that show mirror finish. But for the money, I believe this is about, I want to say either $85 or $90. It's a pretty good amount to pay for what you're getting in this kit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's unbox this thing. Alright, so first glance, the packaging on this box, I would say, is actually really nice. Like, it's got nice vibrant colors. The design on the box, on the sides, it tells you and shows you the before and after of what you can expect when you use these products. On the other side, it shows you what comes in it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and dive into this box and see what it is you get when you buy it. So I'm going to show you guys with me. First glance, when you open the box, that's what it looks like on the inside. So what you got is you got some terry cloth wipes, microfibers, whatever you want to call them. They're cotton terry. Comparing microfiber to cotton terry, they're pretty identical, but after using both, the cotton terry towel, I feel like when you go to wipe compound off, it just takes it off a lot. I want to say not smoother, but overall it really gets in that metal when you're removing compound and polish on there. So it's a really nice touch that they added these. So we got those. It comes with 2 microfiber applicator pads for when you're putting hand polish on your wheels. It's got your orange heavy cut buff, your first step in the cutting and coloring process. It's got your yellow, which is either a secondary cut or your first step in the coloring process. This is another one thing that's really cool that I wanted to say that is, in my opinion, better than what Zephyrs does. What they do is they send you some metal flanges. Zephyrs has plastic, but I think it's actually really cool that they give you some metal ones, because plastic tends to sometimes break. But I think it's really cool because you place them just like that. And overall, in my opinion, the metal looks better than the plastic. And these will last you, don't quote me, but in my opinion, a lifetime compared to the plastic ones when it comes to wear and tear. So that's definitely another cool thing that they've added in this kit. They've also added, geez, this is a big boy. I believe this is a 24-ounce Rebel Red Pro Metal Heavy Cut Hand Polish. So this is what I would recommend putting whenever you go from your cutting to your coloring, because you're going to be adding different rouges or compounds that you're cutting with for cutting and coloring. This is what I would recommend putting on one of these applicator pads right after you do your orange cut. You're going to want to go with this, put some of this on here, like a quarter size, put it together, wipe the wheel down, let it sit for about, 2 or 3 minutes, take one of these rags, come behind it, clean it off, And then you want to go into your coloring, take this wheel, color, and do the same thing over again. So this is actually really nice, really good. This stuff, if I remember correctly, it smells really good. It really, you know, smells like cherries, I want to say, but Renegade products always smell very good. All right, so right off the bat, anyways, to move on from that, so you're gonna get an orange buffing wheel with the brown triple E compound for your heavy cut. Then you're gonna go and you get your color yellow wheel that comes in this kit with your green compound. Then what also comes in here is you get these 2 microfibers pads. And what's actually really cool that I want to say, compared to Zephyrs, again, this is non-biased. I'm not sponsored by Renegade. I'm not sponsored by Zephyrs. I'm just giving you guys my honest, non-biased opinion on all products from all companies that I've used and what I think works the best bang for your buck. I'm trying to help you guys so that whenever you go to pick, I make it easier for you so you can see what these products actually do. So what is the best bang for your buck? So it's really cool that they include these metal safety flanges. Zephyrs gives you plastic ones. There's nothing wrong with that. I like them, but for longevity, these will last you a lifetime compared to plastic. You know, nothing wrong with them, but plastic will break. Metal, these are nice quality. They're not gonna easily bend, nothing get damaged. These are really nice to have. So I highly recommend, you know, some metal safety flanges. That's really nice that they added this in here. And then also, you've got your Rebel Red Pro Metal Polish Heavy Cut, which again, like I said, you can put this in between cuts to clean your compound off. And then if you want to go the extra mile once you're done, you can get, they sell this separately. It did not come in this kit. Everything right here, minus my variable speed grinder, all of this and minus this, all of this right here is what comes in this kit. But like I said, if you want to go the extra mile, you can get some metal show shine red polish from Renegade. I have a video which will be on the screen at the end, or I'll link down below, to where I compare this, the Rebel Red show shine, to Zephyr's Pro 25, and I give my honest thoughts and opinions. But this can go for you guys, whatever you want to pick or choose. You know, buy them both, try them out, buy one, the other. It's, you know, honestly, it's all, you know, opinions. But like I said, so far this is what you're going to get in this kit. I'm pretty sure that this kit, like I said earlier, retails for about $85 to $90. I'm not for sure, but I will have links down below to this product so that you guys can pick them up. But also what I wanted to show is it doesn't matter what variable speed you have. This one I got from Harbor Freight. You can get a DeWalt, you can get a Makita, anything, whatever fits your budget, whatever you want. Like I said, this one's like, I want to say 50 bucks. And it's never let me down, but it's just variable speed where you control it right here. Just as long as you get a variable speed, it doesn't matter. And then I also, Renegade sells too, just like Zephyr's, a 2-inch adapter right here that you can put on when you go to put your wheels on. Because the problem I was having is it was getting too close to my fingers, and when I was cutting back and forth or coloring, I was dragging and getting scared that I was going to get close to touching my buffer onto the wheel, and I didn't want to scratch it. So I just went ahead and I got a 2-inch extension. I'll have all of this outside of this kit. I'll have this other hand polish, I'll have the other wheel, the extension, a variable speed, all linked down below for you guys. And the other thing that I wanted to mention that they don't have is a rake. And that's the only thing, is you want to rake your wheels after every pass, because compound will clump on there and get a metal flake, and you won't have an even and throughout just good finish. It'll come out really, like, I want to say, like, not patchy, but just really thick and clumpy looking. And we don't want that. We don't want Z's or anything on our wheels. We want a nice overlap, smooth finish whenever we get done, so you won't see any hash marks or haze marks in our wheels. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to put this wheel with these center plates on your variable speed grinder. So what you want to do is come right here, take your wheel, take your grinder, that's what the extension looks like. It screws right on, and then the other side, you have a screw right here. So you want to take your wheel, take your center plate, put it just like that, put it through, put the other one on the back side. And what you want to do is you want to take it, line it up, and then you want to thread the screw on. And now there's a lock here on the back, so what you want to do is push that lock in and go and turn and tighten the wheel, and it's locked in place. And then just like that, you are ready to go for either cutting or coloring. And that's how you properly put on the safety flanges with your wheel, with the extension. So like I said, you don't have to worry about your fingers getting caught or the grinder potentially hitting or damaging the wheel. So you can go back and forth just like this for a nice even polish. So the biggest thing, guys, that I would say, if there's something to take away from this video, or what I want you guys to take away, is that, like I said earlier, I'm not sponsored by Renegade. I'm not sponsored by Zephyrs. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I spent my own money on this kit, just like I did in my previous videos where I reviewed hand polish and Zephyr's starter kit. So basically what I'm here to do is to help you guys so that whenever you can, you know, figure out if you're wanting to polish or do anything like my channel, with my channel, you can look at videos I have and see that I'm spending my own money. No one's paying me to say this, and this is my honest, non-biased opinion. Like I said, I use Renegade, I use Zephyrs, I've used Evan's detailing and polishing, like I mentioned, which I want to do a video. I'm going to be doing a video soon on his stuff too as well. But I'm basically giving you guys options so that you can see that, you know, what's best for your money's worth in your opinion. But like I said, I'm not somebody that just gets paid to do this. I've actually tested and used all these products, and actually, like I did with the Zephyrs kit where I showed you guys on camera me using it, I will have a video coming out in the next couple days where I will be using all these products you see right here in this kit on another set of wheels that I will be polishing and making a perfect mirror finish, so that you guys can see this video to see what you're getting if you buy this, and then also see what it does and how it's supposed to be used. So if you guys are interested in buying this kit, like I said, or anything up here, I will have it all linked down below in the description where you guys can purchase this stuff, and you guys can really get some good products and test them out for yourself and see what the best bang for your buck is. But that's going to pretty much wrap up the video here for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for continuously showing love. Like I said in my last video, we just hit over 750 subscribers. We're on that road to 1,000. Be sure to stay tuned for more content. Like and subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys and thoughts and opinions are on this kit. If you buy one, let me know. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.